everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up some storage space on your iPhone. This is easy to do. So you can always delete applications at any point in time. Just hold down on them on the home screen here, and then go to remove. There's a little delete option next to it. And remove it there. Otherwise, we go on over to settings. And then we want to go to the main settings menu. Go to general. Then under here, look for iPhone storage. Right here. Then at the top we can see our iPhone storage. Looks like I have 25 gigabytes used out of 512 total. Now we can go down here and select size, and we can see the largest applications on the top, like Call of Duty. This is 3 gigabytes. Then we can tap this and we can filter to the last used, and we can scroll on down and go to show all. And we can see the least used applications on here. And then we can just simply select them. Let's go to this one right here. And then go to delete app. And that will remove it from your phone. So you can free up some stuff like that. Now you might actually want to go to your photos too and delete some unused photos. So if we find that on my iPhone, photos right here, just select it. Or we can go to the camera and do it. So I can select this down here. And then just go through and delete some videos. Videos typically are the largest files. And you can remove those from your phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.